The human body is often imagined as a fixed template: 2 eyes, 2 arms, 1 brain, 1 heart. But in reality, the human body is much closer to a customizable system. Each of us is born with slightly different settings. Some differences are subtle, some are funny, and some completely change the way we experience the world. In this episode of BioSense, we explore natural variations of the human body, features that are not diseases, not dangerous, but powerful reminders of how creative nature truly is. And by the end of this video, you might realize something surprising. You might have one of them yourself. Most humans have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes. But in a very small percentage of people, there is an extra color receptor. These individuals are known as tetrachromats. For them, 2 colors that look identical to most of us can appear clearly different. This isn't a superpower. It's simply a different hardware configuration in the eye. For some people, the world is literally more colorful. Here's something strange. Some people are completely unable to smell specific odors. A scent that feels strong and obvious to others may not exist for them at all. This phenomenon is called specific anosmia, and it's entirely genetic. It's not a defect. It's not a problem. Just a difference in how the brain processes smell. Some people are far more sensitive to high-frequency sounds. Sounds that feel like silence to most people can appear as a faint noise to them. This variation can be helpful, especially for musicians, or slightly uncomfortable in loud environments. Again, not good, not bad. Just a different auditory setting. Some people can roll their tongue, others can fold it, or twist it into strange shapes. This ability comes from a mix of genetics and muscle structure. It has no real survival advantage, but it's always impressive at parties. Only about 1 to 2% of the world's population has natural red hair. This trait comes from a variation in the MC1R gene. Interestingly, research suggests that red-haired individuals may experience certain sensations differently. Not better, not worse, just different. Some people can see an image once and remember it with incredible detail long afterward. This ability is known as eidetic memory. It doesn't mean higher intelligence. It simply reflects a different way the brain stores information. For some minds, images are saved like files, not like text. Some joints bend further than usual. Fingers that curve backward, elbows that move past expected angles. This flexibility is common among gymnasts, dancers, and yoga practitioners. It's a physical variation, and when respected, it can be a useful ability. Some people experience taste much more intensely. They are known as super tasters. For them, coffee tastes extremely bitter, and certain vegetables can feel overwhelming. This isn't about preference. It's caused by a higher number of taste receptors on the tongue. The human body is not a single design. It's a spectrum. Each of us carries a unique combination of common traits and rare variations. These differences aren't flaws. They aren't problems. They are proof that nature never copies and pastes. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to BioSense and leave a comment below. Which of these variations do you have, or have you seen?